So my first question is the third year, thank you for pointing out the third year physics requirement, but what other options did the state offer besides, using third year for physics?
So, yeah, and I can ask Danielle to add to that as well, but it is a third year of a lab science.
Okay.
And they do give a couple of options, one of those options being physics. And a number of years ago, the school decided to go with the physics because of what colleges are looking at from students coming out of high school. I don't know if you want to add to that a little bit.
So one of the things that also the state looks at is we are also bound to teach the standards. And there are multiple pieces of the state standards that physics meets the requirement of. So schools do different configurations. Biology being biology, chemistry. Some schools do offer some different configurations, but for the most part, to meet those physical science standards, our physics does meet those very well.
Do we have any other offerings that would meet this as well?
Currently?
Yeah.
No.
We do have different levels of physics.
I was just gonna ask that
Yeah,
question.
we do have different
I was
levels
just
of
gonna ask
physics
that.
that
That's
were
important.
created to meet the learner.
That's good,
And the
that's
needs of
important.
the learner.
Okay.
Such
you.
as
That's what I
applied
was looking
physics,
to.
it's also a lab, which is a lab class. So it's not like every student that takes physics is taking a high level lab class.
Good.
They're taking a course that meets their needs.
And they would have a lab component to it?
Yes, so just to kind of, all of our science classes here taught, the biology, chemistry, physics, all have a lab component.
Right.
If you are a physics student, you have multiple levels to choose from. So applied physics, I presented those documents a few months ago, but that's for students who might find some of the math component of a traditional physics course a little bit more challenging. So we provide that portfolio piece as a really nice way for students to be able to show growth. Then we have physics, honors physics, and then juniors can also take, if they really want to stretch themselves, they can also take AP Physics 1. So as a junior, you're presented with 4 different options that really can meet those needs.